How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily unfriend someone on your Snapchat. If the person is bothering you or spamming you messages, then this is how you can unfriend them. First of all, launch your Snapchat, and from here you can tap on your profile at the top left corner. And if you scroll down a bit on your profile, you will see this list called My Friends. So just tap on it and all of your friend list will be shown right here. And now if you want to unfriend someone, just tap on their name. It will open up their chat. Tap and hold on their name and you will see an option to manage friendship. And from here you can easily tap on remove friend to unfriend them. Or what you can do is just head over to your chat section and long press on their name, and once you do that you will see the same option to manage friendship. Just tap on it, and from here you can tap on remove friend. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.